In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AMP Builder. So it's pretty simple and it's really easy. All you have to do, step one, is to go ahead and log into the AMP Builder. So once you log in, this is what you will see. Now, once you see this, if this is your first time, of course, you're not going to see any projects, anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and create a project here. So let's click on new projects. Now from here, you can pick, different type of templates. If you'd like, all the templates are here, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and select this template, and I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to say demo, and I'm going to click OK. And as you see, our project is created now. Now to edit the page and do all the magical stuff, you have to go ahead and click on Edit here. It's going to bring you into this page. Now this is your project page, and as you can see, the first thing you're going to look at is an overview of your analytics. If you're connected to any domains, it will show up here, and at the end it's going to show up your pages. So the first page is going to automatically create for you, which is the index page. And to edit it, I'm going to click on Edit, and it's going to go ahead and open the builder for me, which is going to make my life so much easier, guys. So from the builder, you can do a few things. So when it first opens, if you don't like the color of this thing, you can change the color. So as you can see, I'm changing the color here. I can click on more. There's more options. Maybe this will work for me. So I'm going to change it to that. So super simple, super easy to make it my own and customize it. Now the next thing I can do is I can change the fonts, or actually add fonts here. And you just do it by Google Fonts. And as you see, there's just a list of all the fonts that you could ever think of on here. Now the next thing is your labels. So you can change the color here, the fonts, some of the text size, the decorations and stuff like that. Then you have the option to change your background. Now at the bottom, you have the best options, which are, that's really going to help. The first one is SEO. So you can, put your SEO title, your SEO keywords, and your SEO description in here. The next one is analytics. So you can paste your Google Analytics code, your Facebook Pixel code, or your Google Task Manager code right there. You also have custom CSS. So if there's something that you just do not like in the builder, you can go ahead and customize it from here. And so your page looks exactly how you want it to. And then the last thing is custom HTML. So if you need to add something in the header, maybe the body, maybe even in the footer, you need, some code that's going to help run your page a little bit better, you can go ahead and do that. So that's pretty much it on the page part. Of course, you can save this as a template by clicking on this button right here. And then make sure anytime you edit, you get done editing, you go ahead and click save. It's going to go ahead and save it like that. Now, if you love the template, you don't want to add anything to it, and you just want to edit it, all you have to do is click on what you want to edit, and then go ahead and start typing, So like this, I'm just going to say this is my page. And so I can just go ahead and start, typing on the button. When I click on it, I can come here, click on actions, and, it can go to a page. You can go to a URL or hyperlink it. You can show a pop-up. You can show the sidebar. It can start calling people if it's a phone number, or you can start emailing. So you have those options on here. Now let's say this isn't enough. I need more text, or I need an image or anything. I can go on the left sidebar right here, and I can drag whatever I need. So let's say I want to go ahead and put an image here. So I'm going to drag it out, and then I can go ahead and upload the image. I can look in my libraries if I've uploaded anything, or I can actually paste a link of an image here. So really cool stuff here, guys. I'm just going to leave that as it is. Now the best feature about this, of course you can customize it to the full from all the options that you see on the left. There's a lot, so go ahead, customize it however you want. But the biggest and the best part is our forms. So, go ahead, drag the forms where you want it. It's right here. So I'm going to come in here, and the best part is our integrations, as you see here. I can click on Add Provider, and there's all these integrations here for you already. This is just super ready, super easy. And if something's not here, but they use webhook, you can use this at the end. And then you just pretty much, click on it. So let's say I click MailChimp. I click on Add Account. It's going to go ahead and open. Let me log into MailChimp so I can log in and go ahead and add my account. And once you do that, anytime somebody fills out this form, they click Submit, anything like that, it's going to go ahead and automatically add it to your autoresponder, to your CRM, wherever it may be, if it's on this list or you're using webhook, or you can use email. But that way, you don't have to worry about exporting leads. You don't have to worry about anything. Everything gets connected together. All you have to do is just create this page initially. So now once, let's say you're done creating this page, everything looks great to you. Everything is amazing. The design, again, it's super easy. As you see the forms, it's super easy. You just click, drag and drop what you want to put, what you want to delete. All that stuff, you can click Save. So it's been saved. Now I can click here and preview the page. As you see, this is what it looks like on an iPad. Now if I want to look at it on a mobile phone, this is what it looks like on a mobile phone. As you see, it looks really, really nice. Looks really good. And so I'm just going to go ahead, X out of that. Now I'm in here. Now I'm going to go back. I'll go ahead and click Leave because I saved. So I'm going to go back to this page, which is my project page. And from here, I can add a domain. So you can add a subdomain, which is going to go on, our website right here. So myampbuilder.com. But if you want to add your own custom website, you can click on here. And all you need to do is go ahead and add an A record on your domain name. This A record right here. Once you add that, it will show up on your domain automatically. Now, now a few other things you can do is that you can click on Analytics up here, and it's going to show up a little bit more detailed analytics for you, where you can change the date. You can look at your conversion rate, your page views, visitors, all that type of stuff here. Now I'm going to go back, and I'm going to go back to projects. So of course you have projects here. You can add more projects. You can delete projects, or look at the same information that we looked at earlier. You have templates. So if you saved some of those projects as templates to reuse them on different projects, they will appear here. Domains. So once you start hooking them up to domains or subdomains, they're going to show up here. So you can just keep track of them. You can look at what landing page it's connected to, when it was created, all that type of information. Integrations, once you add integrations, they will show up here. So that way you can manage them, edit them, whatever you need to do. And then the last thing is your profile, which has the information here of yours. You can change your password, anything like that from here. So guys, like I said, it's very simple. It's very easy. You have the drag and drop feature, and you have the amazing integrations to make everything connected and super simple for you.